So children, always remember, when you subtract 0 from any number, the answer or the difference always remains the number itself. Alright children, now let's do it in a fun way. Now, can you see I have drawn some wheels? One wheel, then this is the second wheel, and then a third wheel. And I've made 4 parts of it, and each part has a different digit. Now, what are we going to do? How are we going to subtract? This is what we're going to do. Now, in the first wheel, I have shown you I have written different digits. In the second wheel, can you see I have only written the digit 0. And the third wheel is empty. What we're going to do is that we are going to subtract the first wheel digit to the second wheel 0 and then write the answer. Now let's see how we're going to do. What's the first digit? 8. Now 8 minus 0 gives us what? Correct. It gives us 8. Why? Because 0 means nothing, none. That means there is nothing over here. And so we get the same answer when we subtract from 0. Let's do the second one. 55 minus 0 will give us what? 0? No. Yes, it is going to give us the same digit, which is 55, because 0 means nothing. There aren't anything for it to be subtracted. Now, 34 minus 0 gives us, correct, it gives us again the same number, 34. And similarly, 16 minus 0 will give us 16. Did you understand? The first wheel had the digits, the second wheel had zeros, and the third wheel we wrote the answers. 8 minus 0 gives us 8. 55 minus 0 gives us the same answer as 55. 34 minus 0 gives us 34, and 16 minus 0 gives us 16, because 0 means there aren't any, it is nothing. Wasn't this a fun way to subtract?
Alright children, now we're going to take out our maths practice book. Open to page number 76. Start by mentioning the date. Now let's read the instructions. Subtract the number in the middle wheel from the number in the innermost wheel and write the answers in the outermost wheel. Now, here are the numbers. We're going to subtract it by 0 and write the answer in the outermost wheel. Alright, let's do the first one and see. Now this exercise is exactly the same like you've just seen in the video, right? Let's do it here. 52 minus 0. Now if you're going to subtract 52 from 0, what answer are you going to get? Yes, we will get the same as 52. Why? Because 0 means there aren't any. There are none. So no numbers are here, nothing is here, and that is why 52 minus 0 will give you the same as 52. Now similarly, you're going to do with the rest and complete it. Alright, now let's see, there is another exercise over here. Let's read the instruction. Tick the statements that are correct. Write the correct answers for the ones that are incorrect. Now, let's see the first one. 12 minus 0 is equal to 0. Is this correct? If we are going to subtract 12 and 0, is 0 the answer that we get? No. Right? It is wrong. What do we get? 12 minus 0 gives us the same as 12. So we're going to write the correct answer 12 because the statement is wrong. Now let's see the second one. 29 minus 0 gives us 29. Now this is correct. 29 minus 0, which is nothing, will give you the exact same answer, which is 29. So we will put a tick mark. Understood? So, similarly with the rest, if the answer is correct, you're going to put a tick mark. If the answer is incorrect, you write down the correct answer over there. Alright? Then get it checked by your parents and then they will upload it on your Google Classroom. Thank you.